a wildlife park. Oh. Oh. Okay.
He's fit.
He's too big. What's that I see before me? A dagger towards my hand.
You did that totally wrong, yeah.
I know. What's the actual thing?
Is that a dagger that I see before me?
Is that a dagger I see? Okay, it's fucking. Oh. I headbutted the camera because I'm a drunken person. Can't beat a classic alien invasion now, can you, children? Two aliens! What's that? She's looking at us. You say it. She's got no idea now. Oh, stay still. Let's go ride a llama. Oh, he fell over. Run away! Jump on the llama. Why are they so drunk today? I'm going to steal a llama. Get off my game! Oh, for fuck's sake, I'm not friendly anymore. I'm not